What's the first thing that you want to do each morning? You want to create a new version of the PowerPoint deck that you're working on. And I'll show you two ways to do this. One is wrong and you shouldn't do it like that, and one is right and you should do it like that. So let's first do it wrong. So you could think, hey, let's move this to the archive. So here to the archive, move it here, and then you will just have this right here. And I could say, hey, let's copy this back to the folder that we just worked in right here. And then we get it here. And now we can just rename this and call this version 2 and update the day. Here we go. And you could continue working in this version. No, you shouldn't do this. And the reason for that is you just moved that other version to the archive. And if someone happened to be working in that file, they'll still be in that file and now they'll be working in the archive. And of course you don't want that, because then they'll be working in the archive, you'll be working in the new version, then you'll have two versions, then you'll need to merge them, so it's not what you want. So let me show you a better way to do this. So let's do this again, and this time right. So what we want to do instead is we want to copy this here to the archive. Copy it here, so now we got it here. And now we keep that file here in which potentially someone is still working, and we rename this one. And we update the day here, and now we can go on working in this file. Everyone who's been in that file will still be in that file, while we have this archived version over here. So it's been properly archived and no one gets lost working in another file.